Want to learn Python easily? Don't worry, I am here. I will teach you Python from scratch and I will teach you in a simple way. Hi, I am Deepthi and welcome to my channel Coding Friends. This tutorial we are going to discuss about what is Python. Python is one of the trending language nowadays. It is one of the fastest growing language in terms of developer, libraries and applications that it can be used for. It could be artificial intelligence or machine learning, web development. Coming to definition of Python, Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose, object-oriented programming. Even if you are a beginner or a non-technical student, it is easy to understand Python because of its easy syntaxes and semantics. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Why Python is fastly growing? Because it is an open source language and it have easy syntax and semantics. You can develop GUI, web-based applications using Python. What is open source language? A open source language is nothing but you can download it freely from internet and you can use it. Compared to C, C++, Java, it is very simple to learn or code. In C, if we code 100 lines, then in Python, it is only 50 lines. Why? Because it has plenty of libraries. What are companies using Python? Many companies are using Python like Google, YouTube, NASA, Yahoo, Dropbox, etc. These companies are using Python as a main language or supporting language. In coming sessions, I will discuss more about Python. If you like my video, please share, subscribe to my channel Coding Friends. Thank you.